Today we'll learn about Gmail searching feature. It's a very important basic thing, and it's a very helpful. As you can see, I type the just name and there are options, but there are many other options too. As you see, when I click on send, now it will search on just all those messages which was sent. Here you can see all message to send to this address will show, and here you can see there is a filter option. You can search a specific email. All the emails received from that email address will appear, or you can search any subject related subject and time period. You can search even date and search specific folder, draft, sent mail, has attachment or doesn't include charts. You can search. It will make your life much easier. Subscribe my channel. Take care.